What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing my door panels on my 87 Mazda. They were done a little bit bad, so let me show you here, guys. I don't like the way they were done. They were made with kind of wood screws. So as you can see, the door panel itself is not too bad. I mean, have a little speaker, you got your basically basic stuff, and then they were put in here with this wood screws. So if you unscrew this, you know, it goes back in, but it's not the best. On this side it's kind of loose, as you can see. It doesn't go all the way back there, so I don't think that's done the right way, in my opinion. So I want to do it in hopefully a better way. So to do that, I got a Password JDM dress-up kit. You know, the one with the little red nuts in it. I think I showed you guys in another video. And then I also got a rivet nut gun and some extra pieces for it. So we're gonna use this, drill a hole in the door panel, use this to put the rivet nut in there, and then hopefully screw dress-up kit in there. So we're gonna do that. Hopefully it's easy to do. I never used one of those things before. We're gonna try it out today, and by the end of the video, hopefully it'll look a lot better. So let's do it. All right, so first of all, we're gonna take the door panel and remove all the bolts in it and get started. Alright guys, so we finally took the panel off. As you can see, it's a little bit dirty, so we're going to wipe that off. The panel is right here. It's made, it looks like, I don't know, just wood, which is not the best. I'm going to eventually hopefully redo it. Right now I'm just going to work with it like that, but we are going to move the rivets and have it be hold down in there a little bit better. I got my measuring tape because I want to keep it as even as I can all around. So we're going to measure first, mark where we're going to make the holes in there, get my drill bits ready. We also got my drill over there, and then something to cool off, and we're gonna do this right now. Let's do it. So what's up, guys? So a little update as I'm doing this. When I started drilling into some of the previous holes they had for the door panel, I realized the size that you need for the rivet nut is a little too big, and I don't want to do it all the way on the edge, because then it's gonna be a big hole underneath that, you know, right next to the edge. So instead, what I'm doing is I'm gonna use some of the old stock, like factory holes. So this is where you can see I was trying to make a bigger hole, but then, you know, that's already pretty big. The rivet nut does not fit on that. Still needs to be a lot bigger. So I just thought, why make even more holes when you already have some that are pretty much the size. So this is the factory where the push panel goes in. It doesn't fit on that one, but if you just make it just slightly bigger, goes in no problem. I think it's going to be a lot cleaner. We already have holes all around the door panel, so it makes sense to just use that instead of drilling, you know, 6, 8, 10 new holes into the door panel. That's going to make it worse in the long run. I think it's better this way. So what we're going to do is we're going to expand a couple of these ones. We're not going to use all of them. It's 16, I believe, all around. That's a little overkill in my opinion. So we're going to use maybe 8. So we'll do maybe 4 on the bottom and then 4 on the top. We'll see how that looks. If the door panel seems like it's holding on great, then we'll leave it like that. If not, then we'll do maybe one of the ones on the side. And then that'll leave us with about 10. That's going to look a lot cleaner, I think. It's going to be better. We don't have to drill as much. It's going to make this process go a lot quicker. So let's just do that instead. Alright guys, so I finally put all the rivets in there, and it actually came out pretty nice. What I didn't realize is though, when I got my gun, it came with the aluminum ones, and then the extra ones I ordered are the zinc plated ones, which are a little bit tougher to do, at least with this kind of handle. If you had the big one where this part is in the center, that's probably be a lot easier because you have more force or way to grab it to put more force into it. But with this one's a little bit tough because you have to hold it from the bottom, and you know they're pretty spread apart. But they still go in there either way. We have all of them here, the other ones down there, and I think we're done with this panel. It was a little bit difficult trying to line up, I guess, so hopefully I got them all in the right place, and we're gonna try to put it back on, and let's hope it all matches up. If not, we're gonna have to redo it, at least the holes on it, and see how it goes from there, but fingers crossed. Alright, since we all did all the trial and error with the first panel, basically what I did for the second one is I just went ahead and flipped it on top of it and then drilled right through the same holes that are working now for this door. So hopefully that's going to make it a lot easier for us to put that one into the driver's side door. I already did the holes over here, so all I need now is to get on that side, drill the holes for the river nut, put the river nuts in, and then try to put that one in there. This one I already know it's fitting well. I already tested it. I already put it on there. So hopefully we'll just slap that one back in real quick. Then we'll hop over to the other side and do the other one. And then we'll be done, hopefully. This is taking a lot longer. Usually that's how it goes. It takes a lot longer than I initially thought. But hey, it's a learning experience, so not too bad. Let's do the other side. Alright guys, so I'm already on the driver's side now. This was 10 times easier than the other side where I had to kind of experiment and see what's up. I already got all of the rivets drilled out. I just need to hit them with the rivet gun, put them in, and I already drilled the holes on the other one, and we should be good to go. So there you have it guys, that's how the door panels came out. I think they came out pretty good. I did have a little bit of an issue putting the door, not the door, I'm sorry, the window crank handles back on. I always have trouble with those damn things. Those clips are so finicky. But I'm not gonna worry about that. I might end up switching those anyways. So besides that, I'm really happy with how it came out. I think it looks great. So hopefully we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.